Check out this 1979 Chevrolet K10 Scottsdale. Very nice looking 4x4. As you can see, the paint's in nice condition on this one. Take a look down the side, see how straight it is. Be a nice truck for taking to shows, cruise-ins, or just out for that Sunday drive. Enjoy it on the weekends. As you can see, it's got some aftermarket stuff done to it too. As you can see, there's a aftermarket grill in it. When you get around to the back, you'll see there's a tonneau cover, roll-up, soft access cover. It's got a little different stereo system put in it. Spray-in bed liner. So some nice things done to this truck. Powered by the 400, small block underneath the hood. Is originally an AC truck, also power steering, power brakes. So nicely equipped besides. Still retains the factory interior as far as dash and cloth bench seat. So it still has the factory wheels on it also. Plenty of tread on the tires, a lot of rubber left. If you'd like to check out the Underside Pictures, engine bay, interior, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. There are a few imperfections in the paint on the tailgate. I'll kind of show if I can get them to show up and kind of see that where it's checked a little bit. But it's just on the tailgate. You look up and down the box of it or the hood or anywhere else, it's just some imperfections. It's kind of tough to get them to show up. Not real noticeable, but they are there. Just to get a fair idea of the paint and everything. But other than that, like I said, up and down, you can see how straight the sides are, and the rest of the paint's in nice shape. Chrome, bright work. Here's one of those access covers, the roll-up soft one. Like I said, you can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. There's a spray and bed liner in there. It is up one that comes up over the rails, they call it, so you can see where it's protecting the top of the bed rails also. Let's check out this interior, see how nice it is. Some door cards, very nice shape. Kind of keep the glare off the camera there. Again, stock type bench seat. There'd be another aftermarket sliding rear glass. It's been installed. You can see that stereo system I talked about too. It has some kind of down in the kick panel, some speakers added with custom mounts, and then Alpine, I believe it is. Stereo system there, nicely installed. Let's go ahead and fire up the 400 small block. Truck sounds incredible too. Got a nice little rumble to it. Slip around to the back so you hear it. See how nicely that door closes too. Nice little rumble out of that V8. So give us a call, 507-386-1726 if you'd like to inquire about this. And then once again, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. 1979 Chevrolet K10 Scottsdale.